the Longtail Cast On Purlwise. Hi, I'm Kristen and welcome back to my channel Studio Knit. The standard Longtail Cast On adds stitches to your needle knitwise, but this is Purlwise. It is creating little purl bumps onto your cast on side rather than those smooth knits. It's going to allow you to cast on in pattern in stitch patterns like ribbing. This is a right-handed knitting tutorial. If you'd like to see the left-handed version, I'll have a link for you below. For our materials, all we need is yarn, a knitting needle, and our hands, and a bit of patience as well. Begin with your slip knot, add it where you would like. The yarn ball is on our right and the yarn tail is on our left. And then add the slip knot onto your knitting needle, lightly cinch it up. Hold the needle in your right hand. And then with your left hand, place the two yarn strands inside your palm. With your thumb and index finger, go inside these yarn strands and scoop upward to create your slingshot hold. Now we're ready for the purl cast on method. Bring the tip of your knitting needle around to the outside of your index finger and scoop the yarn up. Now go around to the outside of the yarn strand that's attached from the slip knot and your thumb and scoop that up as well. Now move the needle tip through your index finger loop from front to back and release the loop on your index finger, cinching it up on your needle to create your first purlwise stitch. And let's do this a couple more times together. We're bringing the tip of our knitting needle around to the outside of the index finger and bringing that yarn up. And then taking it around to the outside of the yarn strand attached to the slip knot and your thumb, scooping that up as well. And then the tip of your needle is going through the index finger loop from front to back. Release the loop on your index finger, cinch it up on your needle, and we have another purlwise stitch. Let's do it again. Around to the outside, scooping it up from your index finger, and then taking it over where the thumb is, scooping that yarn strand up as well, and bringing everything together through the loop and letting it go. As you know, with the other knitting techniques that you have already mastered, it does take a little bit of patience and concentration to learn something new. Give yourself some patience, be gentle with yourself, and soon enough you will find yourself performing this technique automatically without even thinking. I mentioned casting on in pattern, and so this sample here is a 2x2 rib stitch, and so by doing the longtail cast on, both the knitted version and this purlwise version, you are able to cast on in pattern. It has a really beautiful edge. If you would like to learn how to cast off in pattern, that video is coming up shortly. So please make sure you are subscribed to Studio Knit and you will be notified as soon as it's released. I hope you are inspired to give this longtail cast on purlwise a try. If it's helpful to you, please like up this video. It really helps me out. And I have lots of knitting technique videos here for you in a playlist. I also would love to hear what else you would like to learn how to do, so please leave some ideas in the comments below for me. Thank you so much for joining me here, and I will see you next time. Bye!